Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good coffee great coffee. First, always begin with exceptional, freshly roasted coffee beans. Grinding them right before brewing is crucial for capturing those vibrant aromas and flavors. Also, remember that water quality matters. Filtered water makes a noticeable difference in your final cup, ensuring a clean and pure taste. These initial steps lay the foundation for truly outstanding coffee. Achieving brewing perfection involves a few key elements. Keep your water temperature consistent, ideally between 195 degrees F and 205 degrees F, to extract the best flavors without bitterness. A precise coffee-to-water ratio, like 1:15 or 1:16, ensures a balanced and delicious cup every time. Don't be afraid to explore various brewing methods, such as pour-over or French press, to discover your personal favorite. To truly elevate your coffee drinks, focus on the details. When making lattes or cappuccinos, steam your milk to a beautiful, silky microfoam for that professional touch. Consider natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, which offer a richer flavor than plain sugar. For an extra layer of complexity, try adding a pinch of spices such as cinnamon or cardamom. They can transform your drink into something truly special. Get creative with your coffee by exploring exciting additions. For a refreshing cold brew, try infusing it with citrus peels or a vanilla bean overnight. Crafting your own homemade syrups with fresh fruits or herbs allows for endless flavor possibilities and a personal touch. Finally, don't forget the visual appeal. A simple garnish like chocolate shavings or a sprinkle of cocoa powder can make your drink feel extra special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.